Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL series today we are going to uh, see about OR operator. So yeah, so if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Okay, let's go to the topic today. So first of all, what is OR operator? So OR operator is used to filter the records where any one condition is true. So we saw the uncondition in previous videos, right? What we saw in that uncondition, what is the use of uncondition? It's any all conditions should be true, then only we will show that records. In the OR operator, it's any one condition is true, we will pick that true. So either condition 1 or condition 2 is true, we will pick that records. So at least one condition should be true to include that row in the result set. So where we are going to use this conditions, basically in the where class. So in where class we can specify and operator or operator. So in this session, in this video, we are going to see OR operator. So one or more condition should be true. So if it's true, we will pick that records. Any one condition is true, we will pick the record. So for example, let's take the employee table. So in this employee ID, first name, last name, and hiring date. From the employee, we filter that record. So right, we selected those columns. Now we have a requirement to show employee ID is 101 and employee ID 102. So how do you achieve that? So we need to filter that records. We have to use where condition. So in this where class, you have to specify the condition now. So employee ID equal to 101, the first condition. Okay, let me write that employee ID underscore ID equal to 101, and you want to show 102 as well, both you want to show, then you have to use or condition. So if matching with any one condition, so any any one condition is true, we will pick that record. Okay, employee ID equal to 102. So let me type that in the online editing tool. So just I typed L102. So we want to show both records, right? So just run the query. So now you will get only two records, because as per our R condition, so condition 1 is true, then we will pick the records, and condition 2 employee ID 1 or 2 true. So any one condition, if its condition is true, we will pick that record. It will be included in that records. Now, so we have another requirement to add employee ID equal to 103 as well. So now you can write that in the uh, statement. You add our condition. So if you run the query, you will get 103 record as well. So let's go to the today challenge. So let's go to the employee table. So the today challenge is, so in the employee table, so if you see the employee table, you want to show the records of employee ID 105, and who is the employee, first name is George, and employee of last name Taylor. So you need to show those three records in the result sets. Please write that query in the comment box. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.